Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence or AI has become an integral part of many businesses. From chatbots to predictive analytics, AI has revolutionized the way we work. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and it is crucial to monitor AI infrastructure to ensure its smooth functioning. That's why in this clip, we'll be discussing the best practices for AI infrastructure monitoring. First and foremost, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the key components of your AI infrastructure. This includes the hardware, software, and data sources used to power your AI system. Keeping a close eye on these components will help you identify any potential issues and address them before they escalate. Next, set up a monitoring system that can track the performance of your AI infrastructure in real time. This will help you detect any anomalies or abnormalities that may affect the system's performance. You can use tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Datadog to monitor different aspects, such as CPU usage, memory, and network traffic. Another crucial aspect of AI infrastructure monitoring is establishing baseline metrics. These are the expected values for the performance of your AI system under normal conditions. By setting these baselines, you can easily identify any deviations and take immediate action to resolve them. It is also essential to regularly review and update these baselines as your AI infrastructure evolves. Proactive monitoring is key when it comes to AI infrastructure. Instead of waiting for an issue to occur, it is recommended to set up alerts for potential problems. This way, you can be notified immediately and take necessary actions to prevent any disruptions. Additionally, it is crucial to establish a disaster recovery plan for your AI infrastructure, so in case of any major issues, you have a backup plan in place. Moreover, conducting regular health checks of your AI infrastructure is essential. This includes running tests on different components and ensuring they are functioning correctly. It is also recommended to schedule regular maintenance and updates for your AI system to keep it running smoothly. Lastly, make sure to have a team dedicated to monitoring and managing your AI infrastructure. This team should consist of experts with a deep understanding of your AI system and its components. They should be responsible for analyzing the data and making necessary adjustments to ensure optimal performance. In conclusion, AI infrastructure monitoring is crucial to ensure the smooth functioning of your AI system. By following these best practices, you can identify potential issues, take proactive measures, and keep your AI infrastructure running efficiently. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.